I was living a normal, everyday life, and I ended up sick. I go to a doctor. Well, they told me fixing it meant surgeries. They didn't know how many surgeries, but surgery. 9 surgeries in, I was 82 pounds soaking wet. I went to the clinic that they advised me to go to after my surgeries. Me and my daughter sitting there talking. He walks in and he goes, what drug are you on? Anyone that's 82 pounds soaking wet has to be on a drug. I'm like, no, sir. I've never even drank. I've raised 5 kids, and never once did I ever feel like there was something I could not do. But that day, I could not get my dignity back. That day was the day that I felt like I wanted to take my life. My kids didn't know. No one really knew, but I knew, and I knew I needed help. The nurse comes back in, they give me the medicine, and I'm on my way. My son, as we come out of the parking lot, he says, Mom, what about this clinic? And I was like, oh, son, Mommy's had enough. I don't want to go see another doctor. And he was like, for me, Mom. 4 days later, they called me, said, oh, he wants to see you. So when I came in, he said, hello, Judy. And he just looked me in my face. And his smile and his demeanor was just like, you're important. And then he came over, he pulled the chair up and he said, I know you're gonna be good. And he says to me, he says, do you mind if I pray with you? First thing I started to do was to cry, because I thought, no. Can't nobody have a belief like me, get out of here. And so he says, no, I'm serious. I want my kids to understand there are people out there that actually care, that love you, that want to see you do better, that want to see you get better. You know what?
How can we help you?
Yes,
right?
Those are your favorite words. How can we help you?
And you're going to be okay.
And you said you're going to be just fine.
You're going to be just fine. That's right.
And that whole clinic, the ladies in the front, as soon as I walk in, they know my name. And the doctors I have now are amazing. I thank God every day for that. I thank God every day for the doctors, the nurses, the staff. I think the one thing that you gave me that nobody else gave me was you told me that God is all over.
Yeah.
And no matter what I'm going through, what I'm doing, always remember that. Without SAC, I probably wouldn't be here. I would probably be one of those people that left their kids too soon. That's what SAC Health gave me. They gave me that voice to say, you know what, I belong somewhere.
You're a blessing, right? You're a blessing. You've
God
been a blessing
kept
to so
me
many
here.
people.
SAC Health has given people of this community somewhere to feel like they belong. And I love it. I don't think I would have been here without them.